Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor 200. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and now you can click on allow and then click consent. Then you can click on this button to start VPN and click on OK. Now you can click on this ad again, and now as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.